Okay, on a right down here is a triangle signal. What? Yeah. There's more some going off for a reason. They actually just test them. I don't know why. Yeah, it's just right down there. I hope the siren bursts out. What the heck? What'd you say that for? I don't know. For nothing. Wait, which way are you going?
Left.
Okay. Oh, okay. Looks like you're going right. You're leading right. It is way over down there. You can't really. Okay, here we go. Where's the freaking siren? Dude, relax. Hey! Hey! Coming up on your right is a signal. What? Why do I always have to say it every 2 times? Okay, on your right, a signal. On your right is a signal. A signal? Yes. A signal. You can probably see it. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, I see it. Oh, I see it. Oh, God. See the panels? Yep. See them. Definitely see them. Here it is. Yeah. Here's the panels. Yes. There's a panel down there. There's a siren. I can still see it, actually. Whoa! Yeah! Glad I have a siren by these houses. That's really good, actually. I know why they make tornado sirens.
You know why?
Yeah.
Why?
So can old people know?
So we can let anybody know.
You know, old people. Old people can't know when there's a tornado. So that's why you have sirens. Did you spell siren?
S-I.
No. Seth, can you spell siren? Yeah. S-I-R-E-N.
Very good.
Hey! Come on, traffic signal. I'm actually recording you. And you are on that blinker. Oh, it's freaking snowing, I think. Come turn on your freaking light. Left turn light taking forever. Please. The left turn light is taking forever. Please arrest this light.
Arrest the light?
Yeah, arrest the light.
How would they arrest the light?
It's never turning green. You stupid light. Oh my god.